Welcome back to my morning report analysis. This video is on Friday, 3rd of March with me, Rich Market Analyst at Hands at Markets, looking at dollar yen. And we've broken out above the 1375 resistance, the near-term resistance of that late February high, and that sort of just turns the sort of momentum and the sort of impetus more positive within this range. I still think we are trading in a range, and you could argue it's sort of about 400 ticks from 1160 up towards 1560. And you sort of have turned more positive because you're also above the 114 big figure pivot line that has been a key level on the hourly chart that I'll show you in a bit. But look at the hour RSI up 655. That's the highest it's been since early Jan. MACD lines starting to pull higher, the stochastics accelerating higher. So it all sort of points towards buying into little dips, and I think 1375 up towards, sorry, wrong chart, that's GBP, 1375 towards 14 figure, I think it gives you a little buy zone now. Let me show you that 14 figure pivot, a series of lows and highs, and I think having again used that level as a basis of support pretty much this morning, I think it's back in play. So it is a level that I'm looking at, and the momentum has unwound, and I think it is just an unwind because you're back towards the mid 40s on the RSI, MACD lines on the hourly sort of starting to sort of bottom out or above neutral. That's positive. Stochastics have already bottomed out, so this is looking sort of as though this little mini dip is going to be bought into, and I still think that there is potential for upside. 114.60 is the initial resistance, 114.95 is the key resistance near term, and that sort of protects these, that's 114.95 here, and that protects the sort of range highs of sort of 115.35 towards 115.60. But certainly for now, I think the market is looking for more positive within the range, but it is ultimately still within that range. But near-term positions, certainly, I think in terms of little dips with a chance to buy. Close back below 1375, I think would be a disappointment now. So yeah, I think, or let's say above, below yesterday's low of 1365. I think that would be where you'd start to see a little bit more of a corrective move. But at the moment, we're still looking positive, and I think this little correction is a chance to buy. So I wish you good luck in trading. I'll speak to you later. Thank you.